Farmers ensure their crop's yield potential is maximized through diligent weed control. See & Spray Ultimate is the next generation of precision application, which allows farmers to target weeds and avoid traditional broadcast application when it's not needed. This new solution combines John Deere's proven sprayer platform with artificial intelligence to identify weeds from crop. With a new boom engineered with a truss-style carbon fiber design and BoomTrack Ultimate, which is an even better boom height control system, the boom provides the stability and strength to support the computer vision system and onboard processors critical to achieving highly precise application performance at application speeds up to 12 miles per hour. How does it come to life? 36 cameras are installed along the 120-foot boom, continuously scanning 2,112 square feet per second for weeds. The cameras provide high-resolution images to graphic processors with machine learning models trained to detect weeds from crop. When a weed is detected, the processor sends a command to the Exact Apply nozzle technology to activate the appropriate number of nozzles to achieve the necessary coverage. That means in 1/3 of the time you blink, this smart sprayer saw, decided, and delivered on 100,000 plants. To provide farmers flexibility to best manage weeds, the sprayer is equipped with a dual product solution system. Operators can select from different spray modes, with the following being the most popular. Targeted spray allows an operator to reduce non-residual herbicide usage with less tendering, allowing for increased productivity. Next is broadcast and targeted spray mode, which allows for more aggressive application due to avoiding tank antagonism to better combat herbicide resistance, or allows for two traditional unique passes to be combined into one. For example, non-residual herbicide out of tank 1 and fungicide out of tank 2. Next is single product high flow mode. In this mode, tank 1 and tank 2 flow through two spray pumps into both A nozzle and B nozzle, reaching a combined high flow spray rate of 200 gallons per minute, which can be beneficial in applying liquid fertilizer at a higher rate. See & Spray Ultimate is offered at one combined factory install option on John Deere 410R, 412R, and 612R self-propelled sprayers, including a 120-foot boom with targeted spray and a dual product solution system with two tank sizes to maximize farmers' ability to control weeds and cover acres. The system operates in soybean, corn, and cotton crop with 30-inch or greater row spacing, as well as on fallow ground.